Hey investors, are you tired of the roller coaster ride of the markets? Are you looking for solid, long-term investments that can weather any storm? Then listen up, because today we're diving into the world of PSU stocks, the backbone of the Indian economy. These aren't your flashy tech stocks that shoot to the moon and crash back down to earth. No, these are the companies that built India, that fuel its growth, and that are poised for massive gains as India becomes a global economic superpower. We're talking about companies like SBI, ONGC, and Coal India, household names with rock-solid fundamentals. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the top 10 PSU stocks that should be on every investor's radar. We're going to look at their strengths, their growth potential, and why they represent an incredible opportunity for you to build long-term wealth. So buckle up, because it's time to separate the wheat from the chaff and uncover the hidden gems in the Indian stock market. First up, we've got the big daddy of Indian banking, the State Bank of India, or SBI as it's commonly known. This isn't just a bank, it's an institution. With over 22,000 branches and a customer base that's larger than the population of many countries, SBI is a behemoth in the Indian financial landscape. But here's the thing. SBI isn't resting on its laurels. It's aggressively expanding its digital footprint, pushing into rural areas, and leveraging technology to streamline its operations. This focus on innovation and growth is what sets SBI apart. And let's not forget about the tailwinds. India's economy is booming, and as more people enter the middle class, demand for financial services is skyrocketing. This plays right into SBI's strengths, positioning it for explosive growth in the coming years. So if you're looking for a stock that's as solid as a rock and has the potential to deliver stellar returns, you can't go wrong with SBI. It's a cornerstone of the Indian economy and a must-have for any long-term portfolio. Next up, we're diving into the world of energy with ONGC, India's largest oil and gas exploration and production company. With oil prices on the rise and global demand surging, ONGC is sitting on a gold mine. They control vast reserves of oil and gas, both onshore and offshore, and they're aggressively ramping up production to meet India's insatiable energy needs. But ONGC isn't just about pumping oil. They're also investing heavily in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. This forward-thinking approach ensures that ONGC will remain a dominant player in the energy sector for decades to come. And here's the kicker. The Indian government is committed to achieving energy independence, and ONGC is at the forefront of this mission. This translates into favorable policies, subsidies, and a government that's fully behind ONGC's success. So, if you're looking for a stock that's riding the wave of the global energy boom and has the backing of the Indian government, ONGC is a no-brainer. It's a powerhouse in the making and a stock that should be on every energy investor's watch list. Now, let's talk about the company that keeps India moving, Indian Oil Corporation, or IOC. This energy giant is involved in everything from refining and marketing petroleum products to exploring for new oil and gas reserves. They're the lifeline of the Indian economy, ensuring a steady supply of fuel for industries and consumers alike. But IOC isn't just about keeping the lights on. They're also at the forefront of India's transition to cleaner energy. IOC is investing heavily in expanding its network of electric vehicle charging stations and developing alternative fuels like biodiesel and ethanol. This commitment to innovation and sustainability is what sets IOC apart from the competition. They're not just adapting to the changing energy landscape, they're shaping it. And let's not forget about the massive growth potential. As India's economy continues to expand at a breakneck pace, demand for energy will only continue to soar. This puts IOC in the driver's seat, ready to capitalize on this explosive growth